guys are gonna add around half of a teaspoon.
Hi guys, wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, you know say me dey Jamaica, right? And this is my cousin right here in the kitchen, Anna. She's 10 years old and she's gonna show you how she make Jamaican style stew chicken step by step. Anna?
Hi guys, my name is Anna. So first we're gonna show you how you wash the chicken with these limes. So guys, now we're gonna wash it with lime. We already cut up the chicken, squeeze it.
Because the chicken is already cut, guys, and clean up. So Anna, I got just squeeze some lime and just, take away some of the rawness. When we do it already. Good job, Anna. So guys, this is at least 3.5 pounds of chicken, yeah?
Then guys, you're gonna use it and do this. Make sure the bottom of the lime on it.
So Anna, who taught you to cook?
My mom.
Your mom?
Yes.
Wow. I heard she's a very good cook, guys. Her mother tell me. So what does the lime do? You said it make it the chicken remove the rawness.
It don't make it raw.
Oh. Yes, so now we're gonna wash the chicken now. We pour the water. Alright, Anna, you can't really wash the meat though. Anna is a chef in the making. Yeah, so go wash the chicken again, so say all of the blood and everything have to come off of the chicken.
Guys, this is my ingredient. The chicken already washed. Now I'm gonna add my ingredients. So first, this is 1 onion. We're gonna add the onion first.
And the carrot. How many carrot?
1 carrot.
Yes. And the Irish potato?
1. The
Yes.
small one. We're gonna add the Irish potato last. But we don't want it soft, mash out.
That's right.
3 garlic.
And scallion.
And scallion and thyme. Little piece of scallion and little piece of thyme. And we have a little piece of pepper, caspany pepper.
Good
Gonna
job.
add the Irish and last.
Good job, Anna. So then this season now?
So this is the black pepper. Oops.
Yeah.
Gonna add a little bit, not enough. Don't want it that pepper.
At least 1 teaspoon.
Spoon of black pepper. The chicken season, don't add enough. 2
teaspoons.
2 teaspoon of chicken season.
Good job, Anna. All-purpose season.
This is all-purpose season.
Maggi.
Maggi all-purpose. Put a little tip, not enough. Make sure that it blend in with the chicken. Yeah, the taste with the season. And now we're gonna use the browning. Don't add enough. Don't want it black. We're gonna blend in everything together. Can use your hands. Make sure your hand is clean before. Take a little time and clean and mix it together.
Anna, what's your favorite food to cook?
Curry chicken and dumpling.
Yeah?
Yes.
I love curry chicken as well, but I love curry chicken but more.
Biggie, I was saying, don't cook curry chicken again.
So guys, as you can see, she'll mix it in. She's doing a good job.
Make sure everything are browning on it because the chicken will be raw.
That's right. And it now got taste good. And it smells so good, you know. And it's not done yet. So do you cook for your mom?
Yes, I help her. No time I want to help her, she said no.
She tell you no? Ay, why she tell you no? She know you help her.
No.
What's your favorite thing to do?
My favorite thing to do is cook.
Cook?
Yes, I love cook and I love help people cook.
You like help people cook?
Yes.
Anna told me yesterday or a couple days ago, she said whenever she watch my cooking channel, it make her hungry. She feel hungry. Is that true?
Yes.
Yeah? So you watch my cooking channel more time?
Yes.
That's good. So you finished seasoning up now?
Yes.
Wow, let me see it. Wow, nice. Very nice. Well done.
So now the pot on the stove, we're gonna make it hot, then we're gonna add the oil now because it's already hot.
Yes, gonna add a little bit of oil.
A little bit.
Yes, that's it.
That's
Good
good.
job.
So now guys, gonna put the chicken in there. We're not gonna put the ingredients yet. Just gonna put the chicken, the ingredients yet. We're gonna put the chicken first. And then when it starts to almost gonna finish, gonna put the ingredients and add the Irish.
Okay. So this is how your mom normally make it?
Yes.
What else can you cook, Anna?
And breadfruit.
You can cook breadfruit?
Yes.
Right, boiled breadfruit or roast breadfruit?
I don't eat boiled breadfruit,
Yeah?
but I will eat roast breadfruit and fried breadfruit. I love fried breadfruit with ackee. It's my favorite thing.
Yeah? Wow. I love fried breadfruit also. And I like it with ackee as well.
I'm gonna make more space in the pot. I don't really have enough space. Sticky space. So I can add enough more chicken. Cannot wait to try it.
Yes, me too. I can't wait to taste it, Anna. Because your mother tell me say you can't cook.
Yes.
It looks so good already.
So now guys, we finished putting the chicken in the pot. I'm gonna wait until it's finished cook.
Turn it up a bit.
I almost smelling it.
I tell you, it smells good. It smells real good.
Until it's there for 5 minutes. Then we'll go check on it and put the ingredients in there.
Yes.
5 minutes now, so we're gonna turn it and see if it's almost ready.
You take your time. Anna, you're a big chef, man. Yeah, I can smell it. Wow.
So guys, before we add the season, we're gonna make the other side. So guys, before we add the season, we're gonna make the other side cook Then we add the season. Gonna make the other side stay for a minute. Then we add the season. Then we're gonna spin it. Now guys, gonna add 3 cups of water in the season. Mix it up and put it in the pot.
Yes, 3 cups.
You can add gravy. So now guys, gonna mix it up.
Fish is stir it in. Wow. Wow.
Pour it in and then mix it and make it thick and put the ketchup in there, and then we're gonna wait for a minute until the gravy starts to thick up.
Wow. Beautiful, Anna. That's
It's
beautiful.
stop fry. As I throw the water, it's stop fry.
Wow. Anna
Now
is.
guys, gonna spin it up.
That's beautiful, Anna. Trust me, the pot look good. Anna, but me never know say you can cook. You is a little chef in the making.
I'm gonna tell people some can cook then say about where fast I can cook egg and then something.
Ah, that they
But
say?
not busy like me.
Eh? You're a good cook, man. Pot smell good.
Family come from cooking, so I know to cook.
That's true.
So guys, you can add a little salt or a little all-purpose season to make it. You don't know if it's fresh, so gonna add the all-purpose season. Then when we finish add the all-purpose season, gonna add the ketchup so it can thick up, and we add the gravy.
That's right. Good job, Anna.
So guys, gonna add around half of a teaspoon.
Yeah,
It is good.
yeah, set around over 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Why? I'm hungry. The food I'm hungry, Anna. Food look good, bad.
It's a boil up already.
That boil up already?
Yes.
Wow. Look good, man. Girl, you can cook. You're a big chef.
You guys can add the Irish potato because the chicken don't take long to cook. And if you stay at one place, the all of it piece is gonna top and piece gonna soft.
That's right.
Now guys, gonna cover it and make it boil
For how long?
for 20 minutes.
Wow. Anna, I can't wait to taste the food, yeah.
Me
Wow.
neither.
Anna,
Yes,
you look so happy.
yes,
Anna, you look happy though.
yes, I happy. 20 minutes now. So let's check on it if it's ready.
Woo! Wow.
Yes.
Absolutely
And we
delicious.
did have to add a little more water because the meat was sucking up the water. So we did have to add a little more water. But it's finished now. Cannot wait to try it.
Wow. And it looks so good. Look at that gravy. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. This
I
is
don't
what.
love my meat dry.
That's right. This is what.
I don't want to choke.
This is what you call authentic Jamaican stew chicken, brown stew chicken. Pour the gravy on the meat, let me see.
Yes, and we have to pour the gravy on top of the meat so the meat gets a little juice. Because the bottom alone getting the juice, but you can turn it too. But the easier one is just throw the gravy. gonna share it a little bit and do a taste test. I'm gonna take this one and hit the gravy. So guys, I'm gonna taste it now. First I'm gonna taste the Irish. It's soft and nice. This is very very nice. It's done fresh. The Maggi season. It's so nice. I just tasted the Maggi season in there, and the gravy is the best thing.
Wow, excellent. Well done. This is Anna cooking, and Anna is gonna have our YouTube channel soon. Anna, what you wanna say?
Thank you guys, and this is so nice. Bye.
Bye guys. Woo.